So he's getting ready for his birthday party. Today's the 17th of November, and it's my husband's birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, baby.
Going down to the pizza parlor to have my birthday party.
Oh yeah.
Taking you guys along with us, so get ready.
Let's go. Okay, so we're about to run into Target because we got to pick a few things up, but me and Alan was just talking, and I told Alan, hey, this is your first Corona birthday, and we seen something really funny on Instagram earlier. You want to tell him what it is?
It's also the first anniversary of coronavirus, because coronavirus started, originally was discovered last year on my birthday. So I have the same birthday as the coronavirus.
It's that. They're sharing their first Corona birthday together. All right, we're gonna run into Target. We're gonna take y'all with us. Let's go. Is that the birthday walk?
Yeah.
Well, slow down there. Goodness. Target is super festive with all of the Christmas stuff. Alan is super doctorish with his mask on. Got his presents. We're up in the pizza place. He got a beer. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Scoot over that way more. Cutting into it good. Good luck, old sport.
Well, they're pretty heavy coming in, so it might be something good.
Birthday. You cleaning your shirt off? Did you spill pizza on your shirt?
I didn't spill nothing on my shirt. What's going on? What's this here? Alright.
Oh.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alan. Right?
Yep.
Happy birthday to you. Bam! I looked at the ticket, that's how I knew what his name was. Like, oh, what's his name?
I forgot.
Be all a little soprano right now, you know?
Happy birthday, man.
Thanks.
Alan.
Oh man.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at these.
What did you get? Nice. You like them?
Yeah.
Let's see. Blue wife beaters. And then there's something small in there. Right there.
Oh, this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Put it on now.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. Was those the right ones? They're not underwear though. Why is there a picture of underwear?
That is it.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Nice jeans.
Yeah, they look good. They look good. Yep.
A case for your sunglasses. So you don't break them. What's this?
I told her, remember how I told you? Wait,
Oh, be careful.
What's this? For the Pokey light. It's a phone case? Oh wow. It's a phone case. It's my favorite actress on it.
Ooh. You're
what is it?
He wishes. They're tank tops. He got no underwear this birthday. We got some soap.
Another new shirt.
Man, you be looking fly.
With the new phone case too. So we're on our way home now. We just left the pizza place. We have fun, y'all. It was a fun birthday party. Now we're gonna stop. We're gonna stop at the grocery store and pick up some things. So that's what we're doing now. You want some pizza? Cookie, you gonna eat the pizza? No. No, Cookie, no pizza for you. We just got home and he's lacing up his new shoes. And he's wearing his dog tag.
New cross trainers.
New cross trainer. What is that, from Hocus Pocus?
How did you know? Check out the new cross trainer.
Hollywood. Wow. You love them?
Yeah.
Good.
Everyday shoes. Wow.
Look how dirty my floor looks. Maybe I didn't clean today. Or yesterday.
Oh, check out the new cross trainer.
This looks so good. Stand back some. We get the whole view. Do a close up. The rock star. With Angie in the background. Stop
And
staring at me.
And